MRT, welcome back to the channel. Today it's just a quick one. We've got the Discovery 2 here, 1999, and it's going for its MRT, so fingers crossed that this is going to pass. We've checked everything that we can, the lights, all the bits and bobs that you can check. Lights, horn, washers, wipers. We've had it up on the ramp and just had a quick go over all the bits and bobs with the track fittings, steering joints, all the rubber perishable bits. We've checked all them, so hopefully it's going to pass. So we'll come back a bit later on and see. Right, the fact that this is on this tells us that it didn't pass the MOT. Failed on front brake pads and a couple of patches that need welding on the front, so I'm going to get it up in the air and do them in the next 10 days and get it back to the MRT. We'll try and get it done today, do some filming, but I forgot my tripod. Right, so bad news. Should have spotted this really, but I was too concerned with welding the rust on the back and I didn't come looking at the front, but we'll get it sorted. I'll flip this. Oh, bad news. So we're going to have to take the carpet out from the inside because that's the carpet there. And have to cut some of this rot out. I mean, some of it's quite solid round it, to be honest. As I push my fingers through it. But yeah, we'll get some metal, we'll cut round that, we'll shape it up and weld it on. Oh, it's had a bad patch done there previously. We shot at it with but yeah, we'll get that done, get it sorted. And the other one is even worse because it's down here, so I've got to do that one as well, which is a right piece of where that is. But we'll buy these things, oh yeah. Oh god. So that's within 30 centimetres, both of them, of a chassis mount, body mount to the chassis. So more work, here we come. I'll get it done. So we'll get this wheel off. Oh, I'll torch myself with anything. Glutton for punishment. Whip these off, then get the grinder out here. I'm going to have to pull it back down to get the carpet out. That carpet's definitely going to have to come out to sort that. Luckily the carpet's quite wet. Keep the fire hazard down. We've still got one in here. And we've got the other file, nothing on the brake pads, so we've got to get them done as well. Hope that all comes off easy and nice, but this is my main concern, so we're going to attack this first. So pulled the carpet out, and that's what's under the carpet, so we're going to have to get in there. There's the hole up there, look. We'll have to get in there, get that sorted. We've got a line here, not sure what that's to. We're going to have to make sure that's out the way. It's behind the padding on the underside, that is. So we'll make sure that's out the way, and then we'll get welding, get that sorted out. Got a little one here, we'll look at that. And the other one is by the body mount, so we'll get these sorted, done and dusted. So before any welding takes place, disconnect the battery, and also I'm going to disconnect the ECU after the battery's been disconnected, because we don't want any issues with that, because we're relatively close to there. Also BCM will do that, that's in the glove box, I'll disconnect. Right, so big patch welded in there, cut all the old rot out, welded that patch in there, cut it all out from down the back of there and welded that one in. I had the best welder, but it's strong, so that'll get it through the MOT. We'll do the pads and this CV boot. CV boot's got a split here, so that's also a fail, so we're going to do that. CV boot and the pads, which we'll do tomorrow, and then it can go back.